D.I.Y Crafts here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this decorative charger. So let's get started. The things that you'll need to make this DIY is a charger head, different decorative tapes, and the last thing that you'll need is some clear tape. You can use any type. The first thing that you'll need to do is pick out which tapes you're going to use. I'm going to be using these two. You can use whichever that you choose. Next, you're going to take your tape and start decorating your charger head. The next thing that you want to do is put your clear tape around the decorated charger head. The last step is just to plug your charger into the cord. Now you have this super fun and decorated charger. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. If you like this DIY, then hit the like button.